Hi, it's Mick from CanTrack. Just a little video concerning a job that we've just had reported that's going live. It's an interesting one in that right about overnight on the 29th to 30th of January, one of our customers had a excavator stolen along with a mini dumper from a site near to Peterborough. It's showing just off the A1, just by Peterborough. And you can see how the little circle is actually showing over several buildings. So if it was in one of those units and there was no one with it and it was locked, and you weren't able to say specifically that it was in that building, the police would be very unlikely to go and get a warrant to gain entry. And it's a good example really of how GPS is a very good tool, but sometimes you do need the other facilities that the CanTrack asset offers, the RF beacon and things like that, to be able to say specifically which unit it's in. If it is in a unit, that would enable the police actually to take some action. The police are very loath to take action if you're unable to identify exactly which unit it is in, because the police would need to obtain a warrant if there's no one there and the unit's insecure.
It's amazing, no one's come out. The dogs are going bloody berserk. No, not jumping up the O.
That tells me they're into the paper.
Yeah.
If that's so considerate, they want to know what's going on.
Yeah. So this is the machine. As you can see, it's been well searched. So that is a lesson for everyone: don't hide your trackers under the foreplate. That trailer's got the registration number on that, same as a van. I suspect that's nicked. There's a number. Do you know about trailers? There's a number on the front, which is in ground.
Right.
That should be on PNC if it's stolen. It's like it's laser etched number. There's two tractors in it, two mini tractors here. So this is our recovery truck. It's just arrived. The police are letting us take back the two machines here.